Hey friends, I got some goodies here to show you. Shout out to Dot for sending me their products. I am overwhelmed in a good way though, in a good way. So I've been wanting to, venture out more with my content, to do more, UGC content and, go around the city and display my talents to different businesses to, garner in more collabs, if you would. So I was thinking about, using something more effective when it comes to like business cards and showing my, videos and stuff. So why not use Dot? So I have here is the future of networking, as they say. The metal card. I have the metal card here. I have the thin. Got the thin here. This is a card here. Then also here is the band. I have the band. It is pink. Pinky, up and show you guys what all I have here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh, here's the band. That's what the band looks like. Little small band there. That's what it looks like. Put it on my arm, and it'd be nice, alongside my pair watch. If you know, you know. All right, and I just put it through there. Okay, put it through there. All right, and then I just got to activate it. So basically, you will take your phone and put it on top there, and the business card will pop up on their phone. Okay, and then I open up the card here. Oh, nice. Okay, so it comes with instruction, and this is the card here. Okay, how to activate everything. It's all right here. You got to do your Dot profile, and then this is the card on here. So you can put this like in your wallet, in your purse, in your back pocket, in your pocket, and you'll always have it there. What you'll do is place it up against their phone, and then your business card pop up on their end. Okay, dope. Okay, here's another Dot product we got, and this is the thin joint. Okay, and it comes with instructions, and here's the card there, and it shows you how to set up everything. Okay, comes with instructions. Oh, this is nice. Little mini card. Activate, then stick. Okay, so you would actually stick this on the back of your phone, and all you got to do is put their phone on top of it, and then this card comes on their phone. So that's dope. Okay, and then last but not least, this is the metal. Yeah, the metal card. The metal card. This is dope. This is how it looks in the box. Oh, look at that. That is sweet. Oh, this is, if you can hear that, definitely metal. Can you see that? That's cool. All the instructions to activate is inside as well. All the help. If you need extra help, it's on here too. This is dope. Okay, y'all. So once I get everything set up, I'm going to show you guys how it works. All right, friend, we're going to activate this metal card first because I like it. All right, friends, so I got everything here. So now I have to scan the QR code on the back of here. It's taking me here, so we can activate it. So now I got to choose my account. So now it's asking me to add a name on my device. So I'm just going to use my name. Pinky. Everything is popped up. Device is activated. All my stuff is on there. There go me. Everything is on there. So I am set. Yep. There go my profile right there. See everything on there? So that's all I have on my Dot as of now. You know what, friend? One thing I didn't notice inside the metal box, that it has a cleaning cloth. So if I need to rub down my card, just use my cleaning cloth, and it's just like brand new. This is dope. Okay. There you go. Look, good as new. Now with the dot card itself, the regular one, it's the same as the metal, setup, so it's not hard at all. This one, it's like a mini dot card. I will place this on my phone. So I'm wanting to get a new case for my phone, so I'm gonna wait and until I get the case, and I'm gonna stick this on that right there. But basically the setup is just the same as with the metal and with the regular dot card. So no hard activation at all. Just follow the steps, simple steps, and you'll be set to go. Now this joint right here, this is what I'm waiting for. This is gonna be so cold. So basically the setup is a little bit different with the card, but basically it's the same in a sense. So we're gonna show you how to do that right now. So basically what you got to do is scan the QR code on this piece here. So that's what we're about to do right now. Focus. Okay, it's taking me to the site here and telling me it's time to activate. Spinning. And already my profile is there. Hit that. Setting it up. Now I have to choose another device name. So I'm going to use my same name on that. Okay, save it. And then it's activated. So everything is already on there. Just put my profile on there. So now let me show you how it goes. So now with the band, it's something what they call the sweet spot with the phones, just to place it and hold it. But I'll show you how. All right, I got my band on, so let me show you how it goes. So I have an Android phone, so I'm going to show you how to place it. So this is what you do. You place it in the middle. They said place it in the middle. Look at it. Your girl. That's so sweet. But for the iPhones, it's just a small tinge different. Fortunately, I don't have an iPhone to show you how it'll light up, but this is where you place it. So with iPhone, you place it at the top, and then the profile will pop up that way. But with Android, put it in the middle. Tell me that ain't sweet, that's sweet. So now I'm all set with all my networking needs. So when I go out and about in these streets this summer, I'll be all set. I got my business cards on my wrist here and on my metal card. I can use that for their phones and stuff like that. And I also have like these cards. I call them like big business cards, but basically it's just my media kit in a sense. But with this, I can have everything on there and I'll be set. So, but yeah, check them out, y'all. Check out Dot, and hopefully they'll be of service to you as well.